guys, welcome to my channel. So this is cavvystyles. So before I start, kindly excuse me if I don't do things perfectly because I'm still new in YouTube, but I really love hairstyles, outlook, and if that's what you like, kindly subscribe for more. Okay, before anything else, so I created this on my own. So I really love how it turned out, and I wanted you guys also to know how I made it. No leave out, just the hair braid. So I used this hair braiding hair in Kenya. This is a very common hair braiding hair. So but I decided to create it and create a crocheted weave. Why I did not want any leave out is because my hair is a bit long and I did not want it to break because of blow drying, so that I can keep up with the other with how the other hair looks like. I also did not want it to be over stressed because the laid hair in here is most likely to grow because there's no any stress on it. So I wanted this look to appear very natural, but at the same time keep my length. But next time I'm going to show you how long my hair is and what I also do so that I can keep and maintain the length that I already crocheting my hair until here. So the front part was a bit I did not like it. You see, before that I had braided my hair and left it for like 4 days so that it can untangle a bit, so that when I put my my crocheted hair on top, it will look as natural as possible. But now the outlook was not that impressive to me. So I'm not the one who likes laying edges every day. So sometimes I can, sometimes I'm exhausted, sometimes I need to get to work as early as possible, and so I don't have enough time to do that. So what I did, when I reached in front, you see, some parts don't have enough hair. So what I did, I cut my hair. Yes, that's what I did. I cut my hair. So I'll take off some of the hair. Okay, so I took some of the hair after applying hair oil, obviously, and combing it out to smoothen it out. I took some of the hair like that. Yes. Then I cut it into two. So I cut it into two. Sometimes I also cut it into three so that it can appear as normal as possible, because some of our hair are long while others are shorter than we expect, but that's how the normal hair of a person looks like. So after that I went on and I crocheted using my, is that crochet? Okay, so using my crochet I went in here and I crocheted through this plaited contour here. I crocheted there. Then I took even smaller pieces. So I cut other braiding hair into smaller pieces like this. Then you have to do this so that it can appear as natural as possible. Then I went in again here. You see how it looks like? It looks natural and it looks better. Yes, okay. So after that, I did that to both sides, this side and this side, until I felt contented with how it looked like. I liked it. I even styled it a bit, did some twists behind, and I loved it. So this hair is really nice. It's an easy to go to hairstyle, and you can just blow dry it using your blow dry. I have a blow dry, so I blow dried it with low heat. Yes, because it's not human, so you use low heat so that it cannot burn. Then after that, you style it to your preference style. So when I want to style it again, I'll come and show you guys how I did it, but I really love it. You can see. Then after that, you use your scissor. Then you cut out. You cut a bit as you go down so that it can appear as real as possible. So that's it for today, guys. Bye. So I'll see you in my next video as I'll show you how I styled in other styles. But before that, kindly watch and understand this video. You can watch and watch it again so that you can understand better. Kindly comment so that I can know what I did right and what I need to improve on. So thank you. Bye.